Welcome to Raj Computer Services. Today we would be unboxing the motherboard from Gigabyte, that is Gigabyte Z790 Eagle AX. So let's quickly unbox the motherboard and let's see what we get inside the motherboard box. So I'll quickly open the seal. Make sure you have, whenever you are buying any stuff from online or offline, the seal is there. Here comes our beast motherboard. So I'll quickly lift it from this side. Okay, it's very heavy, to be honest. Let's see what else things we get inside the board. So we have Wi-Fi antennas. Okay, we have SATA cables and some more accessories inside the box. And obviously a manual which no one reads basically. So that's it inside the box. Now let's look at the board, the motherboard. I'll quickly keep this side. There is a plastic tape on the back side. The motherboard is very heavy, to be honest. This motherboard supports Intel 700 processors like i5, i7 and i9, all 14 generation, 12 generation and 13 generation. It supports DDR5 RAM and the speed can be around 7600 MHz if overclocked. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 and 2.5 GB Ethernet port. So overall this motherboard is good for gaming, streaming and workstation. If you want to know more about this motherboard, you can comment down so I can make a detailed video for the same. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.